Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Motorola Edge for the Pro. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, just open it. This screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, you can finally choose receive on Motorola and send on Nokia. After that, you need to tap on all of those kind of dots and just send. This way you select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, for example that one, just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Motorola, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also input this key here and tap on receive. Now, after literally a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!